Amplify the effects of our products with our hyaluronic acid booster. A booster is a concentrated dose of a raw skincare ingredient. Our hyaluronic acid booster can be used in two different ways. The first way is to use the ingredient directly on your skin as a potent hydrator that will immediately tighten and firm the skin. To start, apply a pea-sized amount on your face and neck on cleansed, dry skin. Once dry, follow with an application of one of our serums or moisturizers. The second way to use this is a product booster to amplify the tightening and firming effects of any of our products. To start, add 2 to 3 pumps per ounce and mix into one of our serums, moisturizers, or creams. Start with adding just a few drops, mixing or shaking in, and testing a small amount on the skin to make sure no skin irritation occurs. Please note, you can mix and match our boosters with any of our products, but use the least amount of booster necessary to achieve your desired results. Excessive booster use can cause skin irritation.